Here is how the Farmnet mobile application can support the implementation of climate and nature impact assessment in agri-food systems, translating complex technical analysis into clear, actionable insights for partners to advance climate resilient and nature positive agriculture in emerging markets. Going on to the website for Farmnet mobile application, there is the place for Experience Farmnet First-Hand Watch Demo. Clicking on each of those images will be able to provide a user with the opportunity to experience different solutions that are presented by the mobile application. For example, that is the solution to do with resource access for farmers. That is solution to deal with service provider access by farmers. This solution to deal with market access by farmers. This solution to deal with community engagement with farmers. A lot of activities are driven through communities. And then there is risk management. This is basically weather, climate, pest, diseases management. Now, the partners for farmers and stakeholders are able to click on Insight on the top navigation bar there, clicking on it, and then they're able to see more insights on farming. On the right, there are dashboards to do with input usage, inventory, and market access. And then on the left, there is communication with and from farmers on various things. For example, one can get alerts on disease, crops, drought, irrigation from farmers. And then partners or stakeholders can also broadcast different solutions: pest alert, disease outbreak response, drought alert response, irrigation, and so on. So this interaction helps to manage the situation. There is also agricultural services adoption rates, seeds, fertilizer, protection risk, equipment, insurance, field visits, messages sent, and trainings, and so on. There is geospatial data, which is accessible to partners, and they can be able to see the required information. Now, this can be adjusted by country. Right now, this is for South Africa. It can be adjusted by country to suit, say, Kenya. Now you have Kenya data that is available. On the Kenya data, what is available? Let's look at weather alert. On the left there, there is weather alert. You click on that weather alert, you see information about weather. For example, if there is hailstorm coming now, what a farmer needs to do is click on hailstorm and be able to see all the information related to hailstorm, risk level, how to manage it, who to contact, and offers by various partners to help farmers mitigate the impact of that hailstorm. What else is there? Well, there is pest and disease. Clicking on pest and disease there gives information about pest and disease outbreak and how to manage the pest and disease outbreak. And then there is also food security, national food security sufficiency being tracked by the application. The application gives an overview of farmers, inputs, revenues, and even agricultural service providers. So this is how the application can help stakeholders to support farmers.